Welcome to Trenchless Romania Club webinars. Our guest from today is Ron Van Dam, General Manager for Romania Industrial Foundation Equipment, exclusive dealer of Vermeer company in Romania. Ron has been working within the trenchless industry since 2007, and he is encouraging the development of trenchless industry. Since 2009, Ron is also organizing HDD university courses for trenchless operators. Hi, Ron, and thank you very much for accepting our invitation. My first question would be, how did you started to work within the no-dig industry?
Good afternoon, Maria. Thank you anyway for the nice invite. Yeah, we started to work in the trenchless industry actually by a little bit of luck. We got a lot of requests in 2007. The trenchless market was blank at that time. There were a handful of machines. To be honest, 5 machines in Romania, and we started to develop the market together with Vermeer.
Okay, so there was a need for the trenchless equipment in Romania at that moment.
There started to become a need for the trenchless market indeed. There were a lot of requests. The real change in the HDD started in 2011, 2012. That really the populations of machines started to grow in Romania.
Okay, so Ron, we all know that you are also organizing special courses for operators in Romania, so you are involved in the development of the market. How do you see the evolution since you started?
We started indeed in 2009, we started with the HDD University, as we call it. The HDD University is divided in 4 parts. That means from Vermeer sides about the HDD drilling. DCI, the track and trace systems, is also supported in the HDD school. The mud which we use, so the drilling fluids by Baroid. And we had then another colleague for additional parts which we need in the industry. Where we started to motivate a little bit the people to grow in the trenchless industry is we came up with the idea why we don't make an HDD university. At least people, because I asked in the beginning, all my customers, the 2 handfuls of customers which we had in Romania, we asked, how did you learn drilling? And they said, yeah, just by doing. So the technology was not that successful. So if you want to become successful in the industry, you have to support it. And that's why actually that was the biggest moment that we said we have to support this industry. And that's why we started the HDD University in 2009.
Correct. Maybe we should say that the HDD University is organized each year and all operators can subscribe. It's free and it's open to everyone. So how many participants do you have per year?
Each year we have around between 30 and 40 companies participating. That means that some people send more people, some companies send only 1 person. And this was actually rather funny because in 2009, when we started with the first HDD, we even did it in 2 groups, in 2 parts. Why? Because we had a lot of customers which saw each other as competition, and they said, when he is coming, I'm not coming. Yeah, but when he is coming, I'm not coming. So the first year we did it in 2 groups, and then we said, okay, from next year on, if you want to come, you are coming. If you don't want to come, we appreciate that. But yeah, it's for non-Vermeer drillers. So if you have a tractor machine, or if you have a ditch witch machine, or a terra machine, everybody's welcome.
Is welcome. Okay. Ron, we are all talking about smart cities nowadays, and we know that trenchless techniques are suitable for smart cities. What would be the advantages when using trenchless technologies in inner cities?
So the main advantage, of course, is that we have a non-open cut, trenchless non-open cut, so we don't interrupt the traffic. And especially in a city like Bucharest, you cannot cut open to make a crossing over the road because you will interfere with the traffic too much. What is more, for an example, when we have to go under a building or under a park, or under a river. There are only one technology possible, and that is trenchless. So yeah, in smart city concepts, when you look, it's not only about trenchless, it's also about how you execute the works in a safe way. And then trenchless technology, we are doing it safe. From point A to point B without too much interruption and too much danger. How strange it sounds, since February, when COVID came actually in our lives, from that moment on until the day of today, we are 24/7 busy. I understand a little bit also why in the trenchless market in Romania, because a lot of fiber optic had to be connected. But even the bigger projects and the canalization, the water, it all continues. And as I know from all my customers, they are working a lot. So how strange it sounds, again, in COVID period, in my domain, we didn't see that, we lost market or it decreased in turnover. Actually, we increased turnover this year.
Ron, thank you very much for accepting our invitation, and I look forward to actually see also in person as soon as possible, and looking forward also to see you during our events, because Ron is one of the speakers of Trenchless Romania conference and exhibition. So we are looking forward to see each other next year.
I look forward to it as well. Thank you very much.
Tight deadlines, tough terrain. Vermeer gets it. For large pipeline installation, you need more than just a big machine. You need technology, expertise, and toughness that only Vermeer can deliver. With a local service and support network that has your back. Purpose-built equipment to help manage installation from start to finish. Smart technology designed to help maximize performance and help machines work together. Committed support and expertise from Vermeer to help you take on tough challenges. Whether you're taking on demanding terrain or harsh weather, from long bores to hard rock, trust Vermeer to be equipped to do more.